Our tourism industry is great at welcoming visitors, teaching them the ropes and guiding them to the best spots. But it doesn't stop there. They're cooking up hangi and passing on their knowledge to those who need a helping hand.
You got this.
When they're not teaching people to fly, they're looking out for our young people's well-being, making sure we have happy campers here and in here too. It's not just about showing off our natural beauty, but acting as kaitiaki of the ocean, the land, the stories. They're caring about our impact on the environment as much as getting us home on time for Friday fish and chips. And these are just some of the things our tourism industry is doing for New Zealand. Because, well, they love our country as much as the rest of us.